Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and in today's video we're going to talk about Cash App stock dividends. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. So if you aren't familiar with Cash App, you can invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and you can invest as little as $1. So you don't have to buy like a whole stock or a whole Bitcoin or anything like that. You can just invest a little bit. Also, if you sign up using my link in the description, we will both get $5 for free. But here is Cash App stocks, and when you own stocks on Cash App, it will pay you dividends. I have some separate videos on that if you want to learn see how it works. But basically, I'm going to show you how to look up when a stock will pay you a dividend. So I think I most recently got paid a dividend from Starbucks. If we scroll down here, we can see that I got a dividend yesterday. You can see all activity. So I only own $2 of Starbucks. That's why my dividend was so small. But I'm going to show you how to look up when the dividends will be paid out. So there's no way to see this information within the app. Basically, it's going to be different for each stock. So what you want to do, just come to Google, and first you want to search if the stock pays dividends. So we can search like, does Starbucks stock pay dividends? It will tell you right away usually. Yes, Starbucks pays a dividend on its common stock, and the current quarterly rate is 41 cents per share. So that tells us that Starbucks pays quarterly. That's going to be 4 times per year, and you'll get 41 cents per share. Also, pretty much always right on their site, they're going to have like a chart that shows when all of their dividends are paid. So you could just search, when will Starbucks stock dividends be paid? So these are the splits. You just want to find like the dividend history. So quarterly cash dividends, you can see that the announcement is 1/28/2020. The recorded date is 2/6/2020. So I think if you own the stock by 2/6, you're good. And then the date that they pay is 2/21. And that's just this top one right here that we're looking at. You can see the full history here. So it looks like they were only paying 36 cents and they just upped that to 41. So that's kind of how you would research it per stock. You can see that a share price is $83 and you're getting 41 cents per share. And I think that's a pretty good return actually. But there you have it. There's how to sort of check when your dividends will be paid. Kind of just have to search per stock to see if they have dividends and what their schedule is. Then you can come to your activity for each stock and see when you are paid dividends. So I know I've got them for Starbucks and Apple. You can see I received 1 cent there for Apple as well. When you are paid, they come directly here into your wallet, into your Cash App balance. They don't go anywhere into your stocks. They go straight into your Cash App balance. Then you can cash it out to your bank. You can buy more stocks with it. You can use your Cash App card to spend that money. Do whatever you want with it, but that's where it goes, straight here into this Cash App balance. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the Cash App playlist. There's tons of videos with tutorials on Cash App stocks, Bitcoin, also experiments with buying stocks and Bitcoin on Cash App, also videos on how to get free stocks on Robinhood, also $5 free on Acorns. So definitely check out some of the other videos on the channel. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might win.